Hello guys, this is your boy Darshan. I'm back again with a video. This is my first video, anyways. So yeah, the thing is, I just came here to say something really interesting. What's going on in my life of machine learning and stuffs. So I have been doing a lot of machine learning now, supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, and all these things. So currently, I've stumbled upon a real-world application of machine learning. So I'm actually so amazed by it. So until now, I used to take a random data set from Kaggle, run some really good ensembles, do XG boosting and do all these things to benchmark basically. So now I've stumbled upon the real world problems. I came across a lot of struggles, a lot of interesting problems, interesting challenges to solve. That was really interesting. I'll show you what there are stuffs like shift distribution analysis and time handling of time series data. The time series data I'm talking is about the data, not the ones which I did as a beginner data scientist. The one which are sparse data, the model need to remember a lot of time frames, and man, like the pipeline fails on different machines. It's not adaptable, it's not reproducible. Sometimes the pipeline gives some completely different prediction, which is never expected from the pipeline, right? So I have been facing a lot of this. I'm writing a research paper right now, not to tackle all this. Tackle all this, but not in the way of a pure machine learning approach, a machine learning engineering approach, but as a guy who is applying machine learning engineering or machine learning in medical field, right? So I'll be handling all this. So I'm really hoping for a really great journey ahead. This is going to be a lot of learning. I'm happy to learn more about this, interact to people about this. In case you guys are doctors who is working in the ICU or somewhere, or OR, OPD doctor or something, feel free to contact me. And one more thing, I want to share something more interesting. Lately I had been learning about reinforcement learning and deep reinforcement learning. Just a week or 2 weeks ago I started. Though my college is hitting me with constant exams, I cannot even it's fine. So I had been stumbling upon a lot of interesting stuffs now. I'm training robots in Isaac Sim. Though my computer is just GeForce MX250, it's getting heated up like man. It's getting too much heated up, And then so I switched to Gazebo. I'm trying to build environments, write the nodes and modules. It's kind of ROS steep. Learning curve is kind of steep, but since I'm learning deep reinforcement learning and stuff, I really feel it's gonna be a really interesting journey. I'm working on self-driving cars and rovers now, so I did a benchmark model. So now I'm just so shy to even say benchmarks, because what's the use of a benchmark if it doesn't perform in the real world, right? So anyways, I'll tell you, it's 99% on safe precision, and 18% on danger precision. So I'll tell you what both of these are in the next videos, but for now this is the thing I'm taking care of. One side it's robotics and one side is actually medically, I feel, and mind-blowing stuff like that, bro. I'm looking forward for more interactions with people. I'm looking forward for kind of yeah, it's I have to learn a lot, to be honest. I've been learning transfer learning lately. Right now I'm doing LLM as a judge, and multi-model training and all, modal training and all. Yeah, it's pretty much getting so interesting nowadays. Yeah, thank you anyways. This is a raw video, I didn't edit anything. So the next video will be on my rover, or it will be on my medical AI or something. So stay tuned, do subscribe. I'm just a beginner, not a beginner in the sense, I'm just someone who is beginning stages of implementing it in real world. Yeah, you can say that. Anyways, thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.